Okay, so if you missed out on the last 2 or 3 that we had, this is your opportunity to go again. This is a 24 registration Defender D250 XS with a full urban conversion, and it's VAT qualifying. 5-seater Defender 110 in the metallic black, literally delivering miles, 223 miles on. Now, as standard, the XS edition does give you a tremendous amount of specification, and the cars look fantastic anyway. But having all the added extras like the rooftop pod lights there, the extension arch kit, the wheels, it's just an amazing car. The drive's superb, the look, fantastic. Brilliant off-road vehicle, amazing on the road, and they have a real road presence. Now this one, like I said, is VAT qualifying, so the price on the screen is including VAT, and that is beneficial to a lot of my clients who I deal with on a daily basis. Now this one's triple black, black exterior, black wheels, and the full black interior as well. So I'm going to go around and show you some of the features. Obviously the car's a 24 registration with no miles on, so there's no damage on any part of the car, interior, exterior, or the wheels. It's like brand new with the remainder of the 3 years manufacturer's warranty. So starting from the front, you've got the urban badging going on here. You've also got the urban grille with the badging on the corner. Everything is blacked out. 360 camera system, front rear parking sensors, and being the XS, if you come a bit closer, you don't notice all these little things until it's pointed out to you. This has got the upgraded headlights, so you can see the glass piece there, which is the LED daytime running lights, and just behind it, you've got the full adaptive matrix LED headlights as well, with the corner LED DRLs as well. The front fog lights down below are also LED, and as I mentioned at the start of the video, you have them huge pod lights, roof mounted on the top just there. This corner section is all colour coded as well, and then the obvious difference, which makes it a bit more bulky and a bit more aggressive, is the extension arch kit, which is also colour coded, and that's front and rear. The checkered plate on the top is finished in black, the side vents are black as well, and then you have the urban style 22-inch matte black wheels. I've always said this, a good set of wheels can really make or break a car, and in this case with the 22s on, it fills the arches, but it looks fantastic. Followed by the mud flaps and the fixed side steps. Now the side steps do come in 2 colours. You can get some with the silver bars, but this being all black, they've opted for the black bars, and they look absolutely fantastic. Some protection glass. The little square on the door handle there is the comfort access, so as you walk up to the car, if your key's in your pocket, you can press that, it will unlock for you. As you walk away, press that, it'll lock, and the wing mirrors will fold in. As for the interior, let's start off with the door pockets, because you have this lovely, rich, soft material on the door cards. Still has an off-road look as well, but then you have the ambient lighting, and you can pick and choose your colour. The Meridian sound system, memory setting for the seat, and you have got electric adjustments with a lumbar support as well. The original stickers from the factory is down below, with the illuminated Defender down below there as well. You've got the key box just there, fully fitted matte front and rear. Lots of space with a lighter back panel that has the Defender imprinted onto the background. More lovely material on the top dash, touchscreen media system, full digital driver's display zone, and then you have the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. The leather is nice and soft. You have got ISOFIX attachments in the back, but unlike most cars on the road where the front seat hasn't got ISOFIX, this one does, and you can just see it there with the symbols, stickers, and the bars. And if I quickly get in and show you a couple of features, because this being the XS, it gives you, like I said, a lot of specification. The most important one for me is the air suspension. That is a brilliant feature. You've got heated seats, but you've also got ventilated seats. Front and rear heated windscreen. You've got the climate area, USB, USB 12-volt socket, lots of cubbyhole space, 2 keys, twin cup holders, lovely, big, large armrest to share with the driver, but if you lift it up, you've also got a refrigerator. There's a lock and wheel nut, and then just in front of that you have the wireless charging pad, so your phone can just sit there whilst you're driving. The 360 camera system is nice and clear in high definition. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity, automatic gearbox, and just here you've got the ClearSight rear view mirror. That's a normal mirror. Flick that forward, there's a camera mounted at the top of the back of the car where you can see exactly what's behind you, inch for inch. How good is this car? It really is mind-blowing, and it's VAT qualifying. 24 registration, it's physical, it's available. Now let's go to the back. The rear seat passengers, the first thing they get is a grab handle to get in and out easier. The ambient lighting continues, 3-point seat belts, ISOFIX attachments, and this centerpiece comes down, which creates another armrest with 2 more cup holders. Fully fitted carpet mat around the back as well, and then you have more urban badging as well. Now you get to the back of the car, the first thing you notice is the urban style rear spoiler, the urban hardback spare wheel cover. This car also has as an extra an electric deployable tow bar. With the electrics just on the side, once you finish using it, you press the button just here and it'll fold away. Big boot space, seats go down, this folds away, and underneath you've also got more cubbyhole space as well. Now the rear lights, the squared LED lighting system is absolutely beautiful. They just look brilliant because it's futuristic. But I want to show you something because you can't really tell when this is pointed out to you, because when the engine's on, you can't see it. But look at this. These aren't just standard ordinary lights. They're the clear lens lights, so when you turn it off, from the back, if you look at it now, you'll see it's all black. Look at another Defender which hasn't been urbanised. Them lights are normally finished in a red casing, so having that black tint on there, it really does make a difference. Just looks well finished. One of the best looking ones I've ever seen. Now, you've got, back to the driver's zone, electric windows and mirrors, just there. Push button start, nice little touch. I used it on my car this morning. You've got heated steering wheel, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers. There's the full digital driver zone. Now you can configure and customise that if you need to. Going back to the centre screen, you have the 360 camera system. You can look at every single corner of the car. Absolutely zero excuses to curb them beautiful, expensive wheels. You're sat nice and high up, but you can go higher with the air suspension. You can go lower, so you can create that more ground clearance. But the drive's superb. It's a 3-litre diesel engine producing 250 brake horsepower. It's comfortable, you get great returns on miles per gallon. It just ticks every single box. Doesn't matter if you're a single person, married, kids, no kids, business user, this car just ticks the box. Guys, if you like what you see, my name's Joe. Every time we get one that looks as good as that is VAT qualifying, probably lasts about a day or two. So if you're watching this video and you like what you see, ring me. My number's on the screen. It's dead simple. I'll talk to you about your part exchange price, what finance packages are available, and like I said, the car's physical. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.